Hi, online music diction people. I'm Professor Robin Allebach at Valley City State University. I welcome you to this class and to this very fun and exciting format of online diction. It's going to be an interesting process. I'm used to teaching live, but we're going to give this a go. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and also I look forward to getting to knowing you. As for my style of teaching for this semester, I approach diction as having been a professional opera singer in my, as I tell my students here at Valley City State University, my past life. And I worked with some of the world's greatest conductors and world's greatest language coaches. So I approach as a singer. We're going to learn academically, but we're just as importantly, we're going to learn how things feel in your body, how things should feel in your mouth, in your larynx, in your face, how vowels and consonants can change according to what register you are singing in. And also, I'm very much into the authentic sounds of the languages. So you will find me correcting you a lot if you're sounding like an American, trying to make Italian, French, and German sounds. So I want to welcome you again and just introduce you a little bit to the syllabus and to Blackboard. I'm assuming you all know how to do this, but if you go to Blackboard, click on syllabus, you will come up with the syllabus choice. You will find my office phone number, my email, and any contact information that you would need to reach me. Let's move on to the required course materials. Cassell's German dictionary, and it's important because it has the IPA in it, International Phonetic Alphabet, the symbols, and we need those in this class. Singing and communicating, in English by Catherine LaBouffe. It's a little intense, but enjoy reading it, and I will help you pick out what's important. It's a very good book for real singing. So I wish I had it when I was in college myself. This I had in college, and it's been around forever, like me. Diction by John Moriarty. I'm going to call it the Moriarty. And like I said, I have taught at other universities and used other books. I keep coming back to this one because it's so approachable and so usable. There are some corrections, especially in the German, that I'm going to be making. But overall, it's a really great book, and I think you'll find it really useful. And hopefully, if you are in education, you'll be able to use this too. Lastly, but most importantly, since we are in the 21st century, it's going to be important and a lot of fun and very accessible for you to have some apps. And those apps are IPA Sing, IPA Now French, IPA Now German, and IPA Now Italian. So the information is there, again, on the syllabus and Blackboard. Download those if you have an iPhone. They're like $2.99, so it's not going to cost you a lot of money. And you'll probably use it just as much or more as the textbooks in translating and in sounds. So, all right, moving on, catalog description is that this course provides a detailed study of the pronunciation and articulation of sung English, German, Italian, and French diction, using the IPA as a tool for identifying and transcribing individual sounds. The objectives of the course are to familiarize you with International Phonetic Alphabet and its application to the pronunciation and enunciation of English, German, Italian, and French languages. The student will also learn the proper pronunciation of these four languages with regard to acoustical, classical, vocal sounds and technique, and how to convey the authentic sounds of those languages. In other words, I want you to sound like an Italian when you sing Italian, and like a German when you sing German. The goal of the study is to provide the student and you, as if you're going to be a teacher, with a solid basis of familiarity and ease of pronunciation of the English, German, Italian, and French, and the use of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, from which to expand your knowledge through future studies and experience. Let's move on. to course philosophy, number 4. Very important. You should be prepared for each session. 2, online viewing of all lectures is expected, and I will track it. Students should be prepared for the lecture by reading the material beforehand and completing the assignments in the allotted time. 3:30 p.m. And I neglected to say that it's Central Time. So if you're on the West Coast, it's going to be earlier. If you're on the East Coast, it's going to be an hour later. Just to let you know. All right? 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're going to have 1, or I should say 4, really fun projects that you're going to be working to finish during within your assignments. A lot of them are going to be your assignments. You're going to do song projects, 4 of them. 1 in English, German, Italian, and French, 1 each. And you're going to be showing me IPA translation. You're going to do word-for-word translation, and you are going to be singing the song for me in a PowerPoint presentation. I'm not going to go into more details about it right now because you can look at that. If you can pull up the link for the song project here on Blackboard. Moving on to 6, evaluation and assessment. Lots of points, I know, but I will be tracking whether you watch the lectures. I will be tracking your assignments and your quizzes, digital song projects, and your exams. So there are 4 sections of 320 points each. Your exams, for example, each will be 80 points, and the 4 add up to 320 points. Your digital song projects all add up to 320 points. Your daily assignments and quizzes add up to 320 points, and the fact that I will track you with your lectures is another 320 points. So, then following in the syllabus is the class schedule. After that is a song project. However, these are also divided up so that you can look up this class schedule separately from this syllabus. You can click that on, and you can click on the song project. Just so you know that our first assignment due tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time is a little bit of me getting to know you. Please send me a movie in any format that you wish to do. You can do a YouTube link. You can send me in, like what I'm doing is just a plain old photo video. Include your name, age, major, voice type, where you are from where you hail, your hobbies other than singing, maybe your favorite color, your favorite food, your favorite opera singer, and something interesting, unique about yourself. 3 to 5 minutes, please. So that's it. I welcome you again, and please do not ever hesitate to contact me via email or Blackboard. In any way that you wish to, you can leave a message for me, and we will figure out which is the best communication. We're probably going to be using some blogs down the road where we can generate some conversation. So that's all to come. Again, welcome, and have a wonderful day, and I look forward to getting to know you through your videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.